Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole. In this video, I would like to explain about production drawing of the lathe tool post. Tool post is the very important part in the lathe machine. This is the question of lathe tool post, which is given like assembled figure, front view and side view. It is consist of five individual or five different parts like pillar, block, ring, wedge, screw. The question asked that draw the component drawing views means divide this figure into individual parts. Second is limits, fits and tolerance means indicate the tolerance symbols and finding out the different type of fits. Geometrical tolerances and surface finish, and finally process sheet. These all the information we need to provide in the answer to get full marks. Answer for the given question is drawing the individual parts or component parts. So this is the first part, its name is pillar. This is the second part given like front view and top view, that is block. This is the third part, its name is ring. This is fourth part, its name is wedge. This is fifth part, its name is screw. So the very important thing is that after dividing the assembled figure into component drawings, we need to maintain the dimensions as per the given question. That is very important. Whatever the number given in the question, for example this is 120 given in the question, so that only we need to maintain here. Our next task is preparing the process sheet. So we are preparing process sheet for the block. It is one of the part of the lathe tool post. So first of all we need to understand the skeleton of the process sheet. Skeleton means first of all should draw the table. After drawing the table should indicate some of the information like part number, description, material, quantity, size and time. These all information should indicate above the table compulsory without fail. And the name of the part which we are going to prepare the process sheet, that name should be indicated. After that, columns. First column is for serial number, second is for machine required, and third column is for operation required, and next is tools and gauges, next is setup time and operation time. This is all about the skeleton of the process sheet. Very important, everyone should maintain this table compulsory. Let's observe this figure and prepare the process sheet. First of all, first operation in every process sheet is that check the material size, that may be with any tool like vernier or screw gauge or scales, and final operation is inspection. So these two are very important, starting one and ending one. In between, what are the operations are there? Hold the job in forger chuck and face the end with facing tool. Forger chuck in lathe machine, so hold the job in that forger chuck and facing the end. Next, drill and bore of diameter 51. This we can see 50 diameter. To get that one, we should do the drilling of 50 and boring of 51 with boring tool. Next, bore of 63 diameter into 10. This is 63, this is 10 mm. So 63 into 10, doing the boring operation on lathe machine only. After that, parting off. So whatever the cutting edges are there, so that parting off done with the parting tool. Next, reverse the face, reversing the face and doing the hardening in the furnace. Finally, inspect the element. So this is what the process sheet clearly explained. To prepare a process sheet, we need to understand that what is that object is looking like. If that object is looking like having some holes means we need to prepare some holes. To prepare the holes compulsory we should go with the drilling operation only. If you want to do the facing operation, we should do with the lathe machine only. So like that we need to understand what are the operations required to do that operation, and what are the machines required and what are the tools required. So we need to indicate step by step procedure to perform and produce that final object with the help of this process sheet. Next is to prepare the mating parts and type of fit table. So what are the mating parts are there in lathe tool post? First one is pillar and block. Pillar is the first part and block is the second part. So first and second parts are mating together. That's why they named as mating parts. It's a type of fit is close running fit. And second is pillar and screw. First part is pillar, fifth part is screw. These two named as mating parts. Its type of fit is medium fit. So these are two parts, pillar and screw, observe in this figure. So understand they are mating or not. So when they are mating each other, they are producing a medium fit. Next is very important one, that is tolerance symbols. So here some of the important tolerance symbols table is there. So if you observe this table, here we can see parallelism symbol, this one, and other, this is here we can see two symbols, one is concentricity, another is straightness. So these are the three different symbols we can see here: straightness, parallelism, and concentricity. This straightness indicates that these lines are straight, this line and this line, these two lines are straight. This parallelism symbol also indicates parallelism of the, look at this indicates parallelism of the lines. And this concentricity indicates that, concentricity means one circle inside another circle, means if you observe this, this is one diameter, this is another diameter, so two different diameters are there, that's why it is a concentricity or coaxiality. So indicating this kind of symbols in the answer figure is very important. This is tolerance symbol. Next is surface roughness symbols. These are the three different surface roughness symbols are there. If we can observe the figure, these surface roughness symbols are there, like it indicates like a triangle shaped, or somewhere you can indicate this symbol wherever the machining is required. Look at this, the removal of material by machining is required, for that this symbol is used. Wherever the machining is required, there we need to indicate this symbol, this symbol. Wherever the machining is required, there we need to indicate this symbol. That symbol is nothing but surface roughness symbol. And above this symbol we need to indicate the value, for example 3.2 or 6.3. These are the different values for different operations. For example, it is a drilling operation. For this drilling operation, so we need to indicate this symbol 12.5 value. So like that we need to indicate surface roughness values as well as surface roughness symbols. So this is all about the answer of the lathe tool post. So lathe tool post is very important part in the lathe machine. So today we learnt about the production drawing of lathe tool post. So in that we seen how to prepare the process sheet, how to prepare the mating parts and type of fit table, and how to prepare the and how to indicate the symbols of roughness, surface roughness and surface roughness values, and how to indicate the tolerance symbols. So these all we learnt today about lathe tool post production drawing. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole.